through the ceramic, which is more slippery, right?
Oh yeah, they're going to go right into the pot, aren't they? It just doesn't look real. It's like it's sliding on ball bearings.
So quick as well.
Yeah, the teamwork on that, just amazing.
Look at that.
They are going up.
Wow.
Gotta give them credit.
Beano's are having a feast tonight.
Look at it. Look at it. Got it. They got it. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Wow. Nearly. Oh, they're struggling. They're struggling. Need more.
All the way down. No.
No. The legs are gonna get caught. Oh, they can then. Get caught. Say. You gotta give them credit.
They're bringing something else.
Wow.
Must be having a big fiesta tonight.
Maybe that's their version.
And there it goes. Good on them. Feast tonight.